be learning about the technique for easy calculation. Now what is it? Now normally we know that if we know the tables, it will be very easy to do calculation. Yes, but some children feel it is difficult to remember. So I feel if you can remember the tables from 2 to 9, that's enough. It's not actually, but this is an easy technique to remember the calculation. So let's see. Normally if I give you a 45 into 9, how are you going to do? You are going to do 9 5s 45, 9 4s 36, 36 plus 4, that is 40. Yes. So I am going to show you an easy way. It is like this. Now 45 into 9. So here I am going to take the help of place value. That is, this is in ones place, this is tens place. So here, now you know that the 4 is in tens place. So the value it is, the place value is 40 and 5 is in ones place. So here what I will do is 40 nines. 40 into 9 is, forget about the 40 if you feel difficult, just calculate 4 nines. 9 fours is 36, so 36 and add up 1 0. Now 5 nines is 45, just add it. 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 405. Yes, I'll give one more example. 75 into 9. Yes. So it is very simple. Just calculate in your mind. 7 in the sense 70. That is 70 into 9. So 7 nines is 63. Add 1 0. 5 nines 45. 5 into 9 is 45. Just add them both. 5, 7, 6. So I am sure that if you start doing in this way, you without keeping a pen on your book, you can directly say the multiplication answer. Let me show one more. You can apply this for the 3-digit number also. So 89 into 7. Same. It is in ones place. This is in tens place. So 80 into 7. That is 7 8s is 56. Add up 1 0. 9 7s is 63. So add these two. 3, 12, 1. So in this way, if you start calculating, you will be calculating by using your brain, not by using the paper. Now whenever you do this method, I feel you will start counting by using fingers. But here you are going to split the numbers according to the place value and then you are going to do. So this method is easy and also very accuracy. I feel you may get the answers. Yes, the same technique can be used for the 3-digit number also. So let me show that. Yes. So here I am going to take 546 into 5. So here also you are going to take into consideration place values. So 0, tens, 100. So the value of 5 is 500. The value of 4 is 40. The value of 6 is 6 ones is 6. Now here multiply with 5. Multiply all the numbers with 5. So here 5 5 is 25. So 25 add up 2 zeros. Next 5 4s is 20. So add, there is 1 0, add 1 0. 6 5s is 30. Now when you are writing it, you should be careful. You have to write always from the right side. If you miss writing that, you may go wrong. So the place values should be taken into consideration. So 0, 3, 7, 2. So the value of it is. So in this way, if you calculate, it will be very easy to you and you can directly step into the answers easily. Yes, you can to remember calculation now. So if you follow this technique, you can easily calculate. Yes, so try this technique, you definitely feel this easy. Yes, so thank you for watching.